Today we'll talk about how can you disable course notifications on your Trees app. So all you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. Then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. You come to next here, click here on notifications. You come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on threads in the replace. Just click on it here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on additional options in system settings, just click on it. You come to this list here, then you click on notification categories. So then you go down, just come here to codes here. Just click in this sign of this color, like you see color is gone. That's mean here cost notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.